In this exercise, we'll simplify an expression that contains absolute value. We will simplify the absolute value of negative 27 minus 3 times 4 minus the absolute value of negative 36 plus the absolute value of negative 12. So let's write the expression. Now, I can think of the absolute value symbols as being a type of grouping symbol, and the order of operations tells me to do simplifications inside the grouping symbols first. So I would first of all look at this first part of the expression and find the product and then do the subtraction. So we'd have negative 27 minus 3 times 4, or minus 12, minus the absolute value of negative 36 plus the absolute value of negative 12. Now inside this pair of absolute value symbols, I have negative 27 minus 12. I can think of this as negative 27 plus the opposite of 12, or negative 27 plus negative 12. And the result is the negative number, it's negative 39. So I have the absolute value of negative 39 minus the absolute value of negative 36 plus the absolute value of negative 12. And now let's find these three absolute values. The absolute value of negative 39, remember if a number is negative, to find its absolute value we just make it positive. So the absolute value of negative 39 is 39. We do the same type of thing with the absolute value of negative 36. The absolute value of negative 36 is 36. And the absolute value of negative 12 is 12. So I have a subtraction followed by an addition here, and I'll do those computations in order from left to right as the order of operations tells us to do. 39 minus 36 is 3. So we have 3 plus 12, and that gives us the final result of 15.